Hi, welcome to Tally Teasers, quick demos about our software. I'm Eric Anotam, CEO and co-founder of ThisFish. In today's teaser, I'll show you how our Tally software can provide you with actionable business intelligence. So what is business intelligence, or BI as it's called? It's really two things. First, it's about having real-time data to make better decisions faster. Second, it's about analyzing data trends over time to better understand what's hurting or helping your business. The challenge is that most business data is disconnected. Some is stored in software, some on paper, some in Excel, and so on. Our solution is TallyBI, an advanced analytics module that pulls all your data together in one centralized database. Here's how it works. First, we extract all your production, quality control, costing, inventory, and other data in our Tally software and send it to a so-called data lake in the cloud. We can also fetch data from other apps or sensors. We then plug our TallyBI in to analyze and visualize this data. TallyBI lets you filter and display your data in dynamic charts, graphs, and tables. You can analyze large data sets to understand historic trends in your business, or you can monitor real-time dashboards to stay on top of your daily operations. You can also set visual alerts to monitor potential problems in real time. It's said that data is the new oil, powering BI and AI in the information age. To be valuable to your business, data needs to be digital, real-time, and actionable. And that's what TallyBI is all about. If you'd like to learn more, please request a demo at this.fish/demo. I'm Eric Anotam, and that's my Tally teaser.